not ever buy fucking race stars with Unilug. This right here, this gun, Mike Tools, is a bad motherfucker. Ah, damn, it's a bad son of a bitch. Real quick, why not to buy these fucking Unilugs from race cars? Mostly is when you put these motherfuckers on, every time you put one on, you gotta have the wheel facing down. And it's because of these fucking gay ass motherfucking washers. I have no reason why they put these on there. You know, the wheels look great. Don't get me wrong, the wheels look absolutely amazing. But these Unilugs, they suck ass. And what happens is it's offset. So when you put the wheel on it, this washer basically turns whichever way it's got to go. Problem of it is, in these wheels, they're not big enough. So when you put the lug nut in to fucking tighten some bitch up, these twist around and everything else, and the fucking wheels get all fucked up and offset and everything else, and you can't get the other fucking lugs in because this stupid piece of shit here on the bottom didn't go on right. Just don't, do yourself a favor, never buy Unilug wheels like this. If anybody's got a solution, please let me know. I mean, I really wish somebody would let me know a solution to these race stars, because these washers are a joke. And if they would just lock up in here where you could actually just put them in there, I've actually thought about maybe doing some silicone on the bottom of it and putting it where the fuck they need to go. But for some reason, when I tried that one time, it didn't work correctly. So if anybody has a solution, please let me know a solution to these fucking oblong, fucking offset washers from race stars, because it's a fucking joke. It really is. It's just a heads up to everybody. The wheels are great, they're amazing, but never buy a Unilug wheel from them because of this. It's just a joke. That's a heads up. This is all this video's about, was just a rant from me. These race stars just driving me damn well nuts. But on the other hand, if you ever need a fucking air gun, buy this Mike Tools one. It's a bad motherfucker. It's small, but man, it's something that's got some power behind it. So we'll talk to you guys next time. Like I said, Unilug wheels, fuck no. Fuck no.